Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Thursday, August 1st, and we're going to take a look really quick at the Nasdaq and the S&P and the other indices here. Talk a little bit about what's going on today and what's happened with these markets. Now, yesterday we had Fed rate decision. They cut interest rates, which helped spur the economy up, and they cut by 25 basis points. And we actually saw the indices sell off through the floor because there was fear of, well, is this just going to be a one and done type of rate cut? With that being said, typically, if you look back throughout history, when the Fed cuts rates by 25 basis points, you normally see a rally in the stock market over the next 1 to 3 months of about 3% or so. So keep an eye out because yes, it did sell off yesterday, but longer term, we're still bullish this market. Now, we're not quite out of the woods yet. We still have non-farm payroll happening tomorrow. That being said, keep an eye on it because this is looking good for continuation to the upside and for this major bull market we've been in for recent months to stay in play. So we're still maintaining a bullish bias with the indices. And at the same time, one thing that a lot of traders end up doing is they say, well, Thomas, indices are going up, bonds should go down. And when it's coming in regards to the Fed, that's not necessarily true. So one thing I did yesterday is I bought TLT calls, closed them out today, but we were bullish bonds, and we've been talking about this with all our members for the past several weeks, going into the Fed announcement that, look, if the Fed cuts rates, bonds should go higher. All right. If they cut rates, current bonds are worth more money. That's why prices shoot higher. And we said with bonds specifically that the rate hike or the rate cut was not already pre-baked in, that we expected this to move higher because the market had been trading sideways for the past several days. So we ended up breaking out. Bonds jumped very nicely. If you're trading TLT, like I said, I was buying calls yesterday going into the close. That played out beautifully today as well. And we hit our targets. We were looking for them to go hit a previous pivot high up here. Now, I wouldn't be surprised to see bonds continue to climb longer term because of the rate cut. But that being said, the initial move, great job. We just nailed indices and bonds and everything else really well today in the trading room. So nice job, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And also, this is why you got to pay attention to the rate cut or to what the Fed's doing. And also, do not forget, tomorrow is non-farm payroll. So again, there's still more volatility coming. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next one. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.